Good day, guys. You are all welcome to Chukutem Tutor, where you get the simplified learning. Okay, so if you are visiting the channel for the first time, please like, share, comment, share the link, tell a friend to tell a friend, let that friend tell somebody. That's how we grow. So today in Chukutem's tutor, we do series of teaching in mathematics, physics, and chemistry. So today now we'll be looking at mathematics, and the topic says fraction. Fraction. That's what we'll be looking at today. Before we continue, what is fraction? Fraction represents a numerical value that expresses a part of a whole. What does that mean? It means that if you bring an orange, divide it into three, you are getting fraction. Bring a piece of chalk, break it into pieces like 4 or 5 parts, you are getting what? Fraction. Alright. Then we have types of fraction, which are the proper fraction, the improper fraction, and the mixed number or mixed fraction. Okay, what is proper fraction? Proper fraction is whereby the numerator is smaller than the denominator. It is said to be one that carries smaller value. Alright, we have proper fraction, we have e.g. okay, we have 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 10 over 17, we have 15 over 20. So this is example of what? Proper fraction. Then we have the next one, improper fraction. Proper fraction. Alright, it is a fraction whose numerator is bigger than the denominator. It is a fraction whose numerator is bigger than the denominator. Take note, numerator is the number on top. Numerator. This is denominator. So this is numerator, this is denominator. Then improper fraction is having the numerator bigger than the denominator. E.g., we have 3 over 2, we have 17 over 10, we have 103 over 15, we have 17 over 5. Alright, the last one says mixed fraction or mixed number. Mixed number is when we have a fraction and a whole number together. E.g., we have one whole number 1 over 2, we have two whole number 2 over 3, we have one whole number 3 over 4, and it continues like that. It continues like that. So now today I'll be doing a breakdown of how to solve these problems. Alright. So number one question that we'll be looking at. Is alright. They say we should simplify 10 2 over 5 minus 2 over 3 plus 3. Now this is like saying over 1, which is what? Improper. This is mixed fraction. How do we solve this? Very simple. This time this, what will it give us? 50. 50 plus 2, we have 52 over 5 minus this time this, what will it give us? Then you plus it with this one, you give us 18 plus this, we have 18, we have 20 over 3 plus what? 3 over 1. So at this stage now, what do? We look for the LCM. LCM. What do we have LCM now? 15. Then this in this, 15 in this will give us 3. 3 times this will give us what? 156. Minus this, minus, bring it down. Then this in this, what will give us? Will give us 5. 5 times this, 5 times 20 will give us 100. Bring down the plus. Then this in this will give us 15. 15 times 3 will give us what? 45. Please take note of the step. Now you have to subtract and plus at this stage. So you have, when you minus this one, you have what? You have 56. 56 will now be plus this one. You have what? 101 over 15 is equals to, bring down the 15. What will how many times will you see 15 in 101? You have 6 times over 15. Note what I did. You will see it in 6 times in this. You see 15 times 15 6 times in this. What do you now do? You times this one. When you times this one, what it gives you, minus it with this one, then you get 11. That's another way of getting it in a simple form. All right, let's take the next question. Oh, this one is hanging. All right, the next question. Which says simplify 1 whole number 3 over 4 minus bracket open 2 whole number 1 over 3. Please follow the steps. It's very easy to understand. Plus 4. Now solution. What do you do at this stage? You make them improper fraction. How? This times this, what will it give you? All right, 4. 4 plus 3, you have 7. 7 over 4 minus, you bring down the bracket, bracket open. This times this will give you what? 3 times 2 give you what? 6 plus 1, 7. 7 over 3, you bring down the plus 4. It's like saying over 1. Hope you are following. Okay. Now at this stage, what do? You work with the bracket first. You know, in mathematics, we normally sing with this thing, board mass. Board mass. So bracket first. So what will you do? Look for the LCM, because we're searching for brackets. LCM is what? 3. Then 3 and 3 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7 plus. This in this is what? 3. Then 3 times this, we have 12. 12. So this one is still in brackets. What do you do now? This is 7 over 4 minus. Alright, you have 7 here, they have 4 here, then you have minus. What will you have here? 19 over 3. At this stage, what will you do again? Look for the LCM. What's our LCM of these two numbers? 12. Now, when you work it out, you have 21, you have 76, equal to, you have what? Minus 55 over 12, equal to, how many times will you see it? Because this one is carrying minus, so you must be minus 4 whole number over 12 as usual. Then you have what? 7 here. Okay, hope you are getting it. All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, number 3 question. Number 3 question. Number 3. It says simplify 3 over 2 plus 7 over 3 times 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. How do we do this? This is not unlike what we did before. So how do we do this one? All right, just follow my steps. Okay, so we have solution. We have 3, bring down this one, over 2 plus, at this point what do? We cancel out. Okay, let's bring down the question down first. 7 over 3, then times 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Alright, so at this stage now, what do? We bring down this one, 3 over 2 plus this will go this, that's 1. So 7 times 1 will give us what? 7. 1 times 4 will give us what? 4 minus 1 over 2. Hope you are getting it. Alright, now at this stage we look for the LCM of this. What's our LCM of this? We have what? 4. Our LCM will be 4. Then 2 in 4 will give us what? 2. 2 times 3 will give us what? 6 plus. Hope you are following. Alright, now we have 4 in 4 will give us what? 1. 1 times 7, 7. You put down the minus. This in this will give us what? 2. 2 times 1, 2. Hope you are getting it. Do you get the steps? Alright, so we have this as 11. This plus this, what will it give us? We have 11. You plus this minus this, 11. This is 13 minus 2 will give us what? 11 over 4. How many times will you see 11? Sorry, how many times will you see 4 in 11? That's 2 times. You have 2 whole number. You break down the what? The 4. That's my techniques. This times this will give us what? 8. 8 minus this one. 11 minus 8, what will it give us? 3. So this is how to get it. So I will give you questions that you can practice, a practice question. Alright guys, let's move on to number 4. 4 question. You say simplify 2 whole number 1 over 2 plus 1 whole number 1 over 3 of bracket open 1 whole number 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3. Alright, solution. Please follow the steps. And we have this times this will give us what? 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 2 plus this times this, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 over 3. This off means what? Times. Let's change this straight, off. Then we'll have this bracket open. 6 times 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11 over 4 minus 1 over 3. So we have succeeded in changing it to what? To improper fraction. Alright, that's the first thing you do. So now we move on. We have 5 over 2 plus 4 over 3 times bracket open. You work with the bracket first. LCM. What's our LCM? 6. 6 in this is what? Will give us what? 1. 1 times this will give us what? 11 minus 3 in 6 will give us what? 2. 2 times 1 will give us 2. You close the bracket. Then you have 5 over 2 plus 4 over 3 times, when you minus the, what will you get? You get 9 over what? 6. At this stage now you can cancel out. You see 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. You can also say 2 here, 2, 2 here, 3. This 3 can cancel this, so you are left with what? 2. So you have 5 over 2 plus 2. That's what you are left with. That's 5 over 2, 2, because all this one can cancel out. Now what is the next thing you do there? We look for the what? This is like saying over 1. It's like saying 5 over 2 plus 2 over 1. This one. That's this one you're seeing here. Alright. Let's continue. So at this stage now I look for the what? LCM. Our LCM is what? 2. 2 in 2 is what? 1. 1 times 5 is 5 plus. Then 1 in 2 is what? Is 2. 2 times this will give us what? 2. All right. So now we have 9. This plus this will give us 9. 9 over what? 2. Equal to, how many times will you see 2 in 9? 4 times. You put it like this, over what? Over 2. Then this time this is 8. 9 minus 8 will give us what? 1. Do we understand? Yes. All right. So I'm going to give you some questions to solve, like a practice question, one you can try out. Try them out. Try them out. We have number 1. Evaluate 2 whole number 1 over 2 times 3 over 4 of 1 over 2 3 divided by 4 over 5. Okay, let me write it here. 2 whole number 1 over 2 times 3 over 4 of 1 over 3 divided by 4 over 5. Okay, let me just quickly solve this. Let me solve it. Let me solve this one. All right, this one now, because I'm not giving you the one that have off and division. So solution here now, what do we do? All right, we have 5. Converting this, we have 5 over 2 plus, sorry, times this, times 3 over 4. This one you change it to what? To times, or let's leave it as off first. Now we have 1 over 3 divided by 4 over 5. Hope you are following. All right, so now at this stage now, what do? The off, you change it to times, so you have 5 over 2 times 3 over 4 times 1 over what? 1 over 3 divided by 4 over 5. All right, what do you do here? You cancel out. So you don't work with this. So this is like the main number. So you don't work with this. You don't divide this. So you work with these ones. So 1 here, 1, 1 here, 1. What are you left with? You are left with 5 over 2 times 1 over 4. Then this division now, division sign, you change it. It will now be times 5 over 4 when you are inverting it. When you want to change division sign to multiplication sign, the denominator comes up and the numerator comes down. That's what you are seeing here. That's what you are seeing here. So now we have times 5 over 4. All right. So now there's nothing that can cancel at this stage. Now once there's no number that can cancel, you times the whole number. So this times this, you have what? 5 times 1 times 5, 2 times 4 times 4. What do you get? You have 32. You have what? 25. That's the final answer. Hope we are following. It's very easy to understand. Just go through it, the steps, as you can see from here. Sorry, from here now. This was the one I wanted to give as a try, but I said let me do it because I'm not giving you something like this. So you solve it like this. The solution, go through the process, and you arrive here. All right, so I'll give you more to solve. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Try this once later and see for yourself. Thank you.